So good morning, everyone. I'm Yoann Jestin, CEO and co-founder of Ki3 Photonics. So today for this presentation, I've been asked to answer two questions. So why your technology matters to the operators and how close is it to the field? So Ki3 Photonics building photonic hardware for quantum networking. How close is it to the field? Well, as you know, modern defense operations rely on trusted networks. And today, so it's not only for communication, but also for timing, authentication, and also positioning. Today, the problem is that those networks are becoming vulnerable to spoofing, interception, sophisticated cyber attacks. And losing trust in timing, location, or the network identity can rapidly compromise operations. So future defense infrastructure will require security directly at the physical layer of the network. Okay, thank you. So at Ki3 Photonics, we believe that the foundation for secure networking already exists, and it's the global optical fiber infrastructure that is already deployed today. So our approach is focused on building quantum secure capabilities that operates over existing telecom fiber networks rather than requiring entirely new infrastructure. And this is critical for scalability, deployment speed, and also operational adoption. So at Ki3 Photonics, we are developing photonic hardware that is designed to integrate into real communication environments and support future resilient defense networks. So the technology that we are developing targets concrete operational capabilities. So for example, the first one could be secure secret sharing that allows you to share confidential information across different trusted networks. The second one could be quantum position verification, allowing you to identify the location and the position of an operator or the node through quantum secure protocols. And the third one could be secure timing that is extremely important where in environments where the GPS is denied or compromised. So together, those capabilities form the building blocks for the future secure defense infrastructure based on quantum networking principles. So this is why operators should matter for quantum networking. So now, how close this technology is far from the field. So one thing that is extremely important for us is the deployment realism. So we are not building systems that are intended to remain into the lab, and our hardware has already been deployed rapidly in telecom environment and integrated into operational style testbeds. So we focus heavily on the ease of use, integration, and reliability. So our objectives is really to make quantum networking hardware deployable in the same spirit as conventional photonic or telecom infrastructure. So what is the next step? So now that we are able to distribute and control quantum signals over multiple nodes in controlled environments, the next step is transitioning towards real-world operational conditions and harsh environments, and integrating these quantum secure protocols that I mentioned just before. So we have to work on the ruggedization aspect, the environmental validation, and integration with defense communication systems. So we are now actively looking for some partners to test our technology on the field. So do not hesitate to contact me at this email address if you need more information or want to make some tests. Thank you for your attention.